Check out the brand new 18-volt cordless ratchet wrench from Makita. And this wrench has got a brushless motor and it's driven by any LXT 18-volt Makita battery with a peak fastening torque of 47.5 Newton meters, which is plenty of oomph. Overall, it's really compact, nice small diameter on the handle, which is really comfortable, and that head is also really small and compact for tight access spaces. And if you have a 1.5 amp hour battery as well, you can keep that compact form all the way through to the base. Really simple, no fuss controls. There's a trigger lock under your thumb and it's got a variable speed trigger with a max speed of 800 RPM, and it's got an electric brake on release. And the reverse switch from righty-tighty to lefty-loosey is right up on the business end as well. Now the tool comes with two socket adapters, the 1/4 inch and the 3/8. They snap into place or you can remove them altogether. Because it's a lock pin style ratcheting mechanism, it allows you to use it as a handy pass-through ratchet with 13mm nuts on an M8 threaded rod. All in all, this tool's really nice to use, from the nice comfortable grip to that bright LED work light which lights up those hard to reach places. That's the new 18-volt ratchet wrench from Makita. Head over to cindytools.com.au right now for more information, or hit me up with any questions in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Cindy Tools TV.